era, I will be conducting an experiment to define ammonia in water sample. First, fill 20 ml water sample and distill water as a blank sample in different 25 ml cylinders, and then add 3 drops of mineral stabilizer in each cylinder and then invert a few times to mix. After that, add 3 drops of polyvinyl alcohol dispersing agent in each cylinder and repeat the same step before. By taking the pipette, set 1 ml, then pipette 1 ml Nestle reagent into water sample cylinder. Then repeat the same step for blank sample. Set 1 minute for reaction times. After that, fill 10 ml into 10 ml sample cell for blank and water sample. Set spectrophotometer to the ammonia nest, then wipe prepare blank sample, then insert into the cell holder, then press read and repeat the same step on the water sample. The last one is the value will be shown on the screen spectrophotometer. Last step is dispose the sample at the proper place, then clean and store the apparatus accordingly.
Hello, I am Afif Shami. Will be measure the pH of the sample solution and suspended solid. For pH measurement, first pour the sample into a clean beaker. Then rinse the electrode with distilled water. Insert the electrode into the sample. Make sure the electrode is hanging in the beaker. Wait until the reading to stabilize and record the pH value shown on the display. For suspended solid, first fill in 10 ml the distilled water and sample into sample cell. Wipe the blank sample to remove moisture and fingerprint. Insert the blank sample into spectrophotometer and press 0. And then wipe the sample cell to avoid error in reading. Insert into spectrophotometer and press read and take the reading value on the display. After finish all the experiment, clean all the used apparatus.
Hi, my name is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Mahdi and I will conduct chemical oxygen demand parameter. Firstly, we preheat the RB 200 to 150 Celsius. Prepare the sample by adding 2 ml of water sample using a clean pipette. Hold the pipette at 45 degrees to prevent bubbles. Hold the vial by the cap and invert gently. The vial will get very hot during mixing. Prepare the blank sample by adding 2 ml of distilled water using a clean pipette, and again hold the pipette at 45 degrees to prevent bubbles. Again, hold the vial by the cap and invert gently and the vial will get very hot. Set the preheated DR200 to 120 minutes and put both vials into the machine. After 2 hours, set the power off and let the vials cool until the temperature decreases to 120 Celsius. Invert each vial several times while it is still warm. Put the vials in a tube rack to cool to room temperature. Power on and select 430 COD-LR program. Clean the blank sample and insert to cell holder. Push 0 and the display shows 0 mgl over COD. Clean the prepared sample and insert to cell holder. Push read, result shows in mg over L. Get rid the vials and wash the apparatus by using distilled water.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Haris and I'm conducting biochemical oxygen demand experiment. Firstly, we will prepare the dilution water by adding the following chemical reagent, which is 1 ml of phosphate buffer, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride and also ferric chloride on 1 liter of distilled water, and then we will irradiate it to oxygen saturation for 1 hour. 20 ml of sample were added to the measuring cylinder and then added to the 300 ml of the OD bottle, and then fill with the dilution water until it reaches bottleneck and make sure there are no air bubbles. The probe was rinsed first with the distilled water, and then we put the probe into the bottle and make sure there are no air bubble under the probe. And then we start the probe by pushing the button and stir until the measurement is stable. A big sound will heard and record the value for the initial DO. And then we put it into the incubator at 20 degrees Celsius for 5 days. After 5 days, we will measure the final dissolved oxygen by repeating the step using the DO probe. And there must be at least 1 mg per liter dissolved oxygen in the prepared sample after incubation for accurate result. After we done with the experiment, we will dispose the water sample and clean the equipment and apparatus with water and also distilled water. Thank you.
Put on gloves for safety before handling any chemicals. Prepare 110 ml of water sample in a beaker, then pour the sample into a sterile bottle. Add a colloidal tablet, then keep in, shake the bottle until dissolved. Once mixed, pour the solution into a quantity tray until all wells are filled properly. Seal the quantity tray using the tray sealer to prevent contamination. Place the sealed tray in the E. coli incubator and leave it for at least 24 hours. After the test, clean all tools and surface to prevent contamination and ensure lab safety.